Hey, this is Sean with JW Inspections. I just want to share something with you real quick today. One of the main reasons for house fires is actually from the dryer. And as you can see, this dryer vent, how flexible it is right here and bendable. It's just a great way for lint to get caught in there. This is actually not the proper dryer vent. This is actually for a bathroom fan. So what we would like to do is get this swapped out for safety. The full solid one is the best way to go. There is a proper flexible out there, but this is not correct. So we would recommend to get this swapped out. Thanks.